Can B minerals, natural supplements, help cognitive impairment? Absolutely. Everything in the body is made of cells, including the brain. Inside each brain cell are the energy powerhouses called mitochondria. They provide all the energy for your body, including your cognitive functions. Do you realize a single brain cell can have as many as 2 million mitochondria, and every single one requires different minerals to complete its energy-generating operations? These energy-generating operations drive the electrical impulses, which are the foundation of cognitive and brain function. When we're mineral deficient, electrical impulses don't get generated at the rate necessary to fulfill these cognitive requirements. Further, as we get older, we're impacted by chronic health issues, our electrical systems can be impaired, and our mitochondrial function is reduced. This is exacerbated by mineral and micronutrient deficiency and can lead to serious cognitive impairment. So replenishing minerals and electrolytes can have a huge impact on cognition by providing the cellular fuel for the body's energy generation systems, the mitochondria inside the cells. Most minerals don't do their job unless they get into the cells where the mitochondria has access to them for energy generation. Plant-based minerals provide all the minerals and micronutrients your brain needs in a format that your body is evolved to digest and absorb. In addition, the fulvic component of plant-based minerals provides the transportation for those elements into your cells. So one of the best things that you can do if you're having any cognitive issues or you're having brain fog, any of those feelings like I just can't get my brain to think properly, minerals, they're the best thing you can provide for your brain.